Well bowled, past the edge of the bat. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Cracking delivery, almost unplayable. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Oh, that's good. Not good if you're a batsman. There is a little bit on the surface for the bowlers. It's also good for batting. Wow, that is extraordinary. That's a magnificent hit for a six. That's a beauty. The batsman had to play at that one. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. Pace bowler into the attack. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Good shot for a single. That looks close. Big appeal. Sensational fielding. That was some brilliance in the field. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. The batsman must be kicking himself after that run out. No, that's lovely timing. The ball racing to the boundary. Will he take him on again? Let's see. Good bowling, it beats him all ends up. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Oh, that's found the edge of the bat. Good delivery. You need to try and make them work really hard for each run. This kind of a fielding effort is really not going to help them. That struck beautifully. Terrific shot that. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything loose. Well placed into the gap, possible too. Oh, he's thrown it wide. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. Point fielder is placed. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Good shot for a single. Good shot, but cannot get it past the fielder. Oh, that's good. Not good if you're a batsman. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Oh, that's good. Not good if you're a batsman. Bowled him. Brilliant from the bowler. A long walk back to the pavilion. Doesn't look happy at all. That was fantastic piece of bowling. Oh, he has put that down. He'd be disappointed with himself there. Oh, huge appeal. Loud appeal. The batsman looks in trouble. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. Batsman must be kicking himself after that run out. Cracking delivery, almost unplayable. It'll be interesting to see what pace he'll bowl at. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line of the ball. Good shot for a single. Well, you can sense something is going to happen here. The bowler not allowing the batsman to free his arms. But it seems like the bowler prefers to bowl from this end. Oh, that's good. Not good if you're a batsman. Missing his line there, wide signaled. That's high in the air. Spectacular catch. Perfectly timed his jump and made sure he held on to that one. The bowler's got his tail up. Terrific bowling that. Well bowled, past the edge of the bat. That was a moral victory for the bowler. That's gone high. Got him. That's a stunner. Out for a duck. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion.